Alaska is home to many amazing animals that are built to survive in cold and wild places. You can find giant moose in the forests, playful sea otters along the coast, and powerful bears roaming the rivers. In the icy Arctic, polar bears and Arctic foxes stay warm with their thick fur. Alaska's skies are filled with birds like bald eagles and puffins, while the oceans splash with whales and seals. It's a land full of wildlife adventures. First, we discuss the mammals of Alaska. Moose, the largest member of the deer family, common in forests and wetlands. Brown bear, grizzly bear, found in coastal areas and forests. Black bear, found across Alaska in forests and mountains. Polar bear, found along the Arctic coast and sea ice. Caribou, reindeer, famous for their long migrations across tundra and forests. Dall sheep, known for their white coats and curved horns, living in rocky mountains. Alaskan wolf, gray wolf, found in forests, tundra, and along the coast. Arctic fox, adapted to survive in the cold Arctic tundra. Lynx, a wild cat with thick fur and tufted ears, found in forests. Sea otter, lives along Alaska's coasts, using tools to crack shellfish. One of the most popular and iconic mammals in Alaska is the moose. Moose are the largest members of the deer family and are often seen near lakes, rivers, and forests across the state. With their long legs, huge antlers, in males, and love for aquatic plants, they are a favorite sight for visitors and locals. Moose are not only a symbol of Alaska's wild beauty but also play an important role in the local ecosystem and culture. Next up are the birds of Alaska. Bald eagle, the national bird of the US, common along rivers and coasts. Puffin, cute seabirds with colorful beaks, living on rocky coasts. Willow ptarmigan, changes color with the seasons, it's Alaska's state bird. Ravens, intelligent birds often seen in both cities and wild areas. The willow ptarmigan is Alaska's state bird and a true master of disguise. This bird is famous for changing its feathers with the seasons, brown in summer to blend in with the tundra, and pure white in winter to hide in the snow. Willow ptarmigans live in cold, open areas like tundra and forests, where they feed on plants, berries, and buds. They make funny, croaky sounds and often walk on the ground instead of flying. Their fluffy feet act like snowshoes, helping them walk on snow without sinking. Finally are the marine life. Humpback whale, orca, killer whale, salmon, various species, very important for ecosystems and local people. Harbor seal, walrus, found in the Bering and Chukchi seas. One of the most popular and iconic marine animals in Alaska is the humpback whale. These gentle giants migrate to Alaska's rich, cold waters every summer to feed on krill and small fish. Humpback whales are famous for their breathtaking jumps, called breaching, and for their beautiful songs that can travel long distances underwater. They are a favorite among wildlife watchers and play a key role in Alaska's marine ecosystems. What about the Iditarod? The Iditarod Trail was originally a mail and supply route used in the early 1900s, running from Anchorage to Nome, especially important during winter when other travel was impossible. The famous 1925 Serum Run helped make it legendary. Dog sled teams raced to deliver life-saving medicine to Nome during a diphtheria outbreak. In 1973, the first Iditarod sled dog race was organized to honor that history and to keep Alaska's sled dog culture alive. Now, it's known as the last great race on Earth. Where are the sled dogs from? The dogs used in the Iditarod are mainly Alaskan Huskies, which are not a formal breed but a special type of sled dog developed in Alaska. They are a mix of breeds, including Siberian Huskies, Alaskan Malamutes, and other working dogs, bred over generations for their strength, endurance, and love of running in cold conditions. These dogs are not native wild animals, they were developed by native peoples and settlers for survival and transportation in Alaska's harsh climate.